Hello guys, I'm the Techno Kid this side. What's up everyone? Today in this video, we are going to learn how to make music using Scratch. So I will just show you what I have made in this project. I hope that you heard that. So I have made these two. Actually these two combined in a single project only. We will also be able to make just something like that during this video. So please guys watch till the end of this video. Let me just switch to the tab actually. Yeah, now it is better. So we can choose a sprite. We will choose an instruments sprite actually, the one which plays music. Let's edit the size a bit. And now another one, as I chose the guitar. I chose this one. I like this one. And now for this, when the sprite, when this sprite is clicked, we want it to start sound this sound, and from the control we want it to wait not 1 second. We can edit it to 0.25, and now we have to duplicate it. I hope you heard that. Oh, I'm right clicking. Yeah, I do think that this much would be fine. Now I don't. I think we will need more. Yeah, now I think that it is. Now, yeah, it is actually fine. You can see it's this much of a coding. It's not that much actually since we duplicated it a lot. G uh, D E F. Now we will have to duplicate it once more. F E A. We will have to delete the extra blocks actually. So now let's test it. You can see it's the same sound as it was coming in this one. Let's confirm that too. Yeah, it's the same. And now for the coding of the guitar, let's add a backdrop first. Yeah, add a backdrop from music. I have this concert. I love the concert. And now as for the guitar, it's this much of a coding. Yeah. Mm, First of all, when the sprite is clicked, where is it? Yeah, it is right there. Sound this, and instead of duplicating it the wait 0.25 seconds, we can just do it 0.25. And even when you will drag and drop, 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 and drag and drop, it will be the same. I want one more. Yeah. Now, mm, this is C D E F G A B, and the last one C2. Now let's try this. Yeah, it's the same. Let's confirm it too. So you can see guys, we made a very easy scratch project, a music project actually, in just a few minutes. So and we can add even more. You can experiment with different types of instruments. Like you can see when I try drum, here comes drum kit, drum cymbal, drum hi-hat, so much of them to experiment for you to experiment with. Bye guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you all like my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and never forget to press on the bell icon, or else you will miss out on some update and miss out on some cool stuff. Bye.